Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove resume from Indeed app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to remove resume from Indeed, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you are in your profile settings page, here you can see the resume section. Here I've already uploaded my resume before. I did not create this resume with Indeed. I actually uploaded a different resume file from my device. So this is a PDF resume file. If you want to remove this resume file, then you need to tap on this three-dot icon and it will prompt you the resume options. Here you can see the delete icon at the bottom. You can tap on this delete option to remove your resume from Indeed. So tap on delete. It will ask to reconfirm that you really want to delete this resume file. Again, select delete. And there you go. Your resume file has been successfully removed from your Indeed account. So that's it. That's how you can remove your resume from Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.